how to find a Steam game on 100% discount. Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. So let's get started without any further ado. For that, first of all, you want to go ahead and simply open any browser in your PC. Once you open the browser, in the search bar, simply search for steam.com. Once you search for it, go ahead and log in to your account. Once logged in, you'll be able to find this kind of interface in your screen. From your screen, you will then be able to find the search icon. All you have to do is simply tap on this magnifying glass icon, and then you'll be able to find a different kind of games right over here. But here's a trick. If you would like to find out a free game, you want to go ahead and set this to 0, and then it becomes free. And just like that, it will then show you all the games that is free on Steam. And just like that, if you would like to purchase a game on special offers, you can go ahead and simply toggle on this button. And just like that, the results will be provided to you. For this video, we're seeing for something free, so go ahead and set it to free, and then you'll be able to find all the games. Let's go ahead and untoggle this button. As you can see, these all games are free to play. If you'd like to play it, double tap onto it, and then you can go ahead and simply tap on play now. And that is simply how you can do it, guys. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end, and stay tuned until our next upload.